Here we have a 2017 Cadillac XTS, one owner, full factory warranty left, 22,000 miles in black. Really a sharp car, nice high intensity headlamps. You got your LED surrounds both up top, also down the lower bumper fascia. You can see chrome accents with your classic Cadillac grille there. Go around to the side so you can see that you got Goodyear Eagle tires here, a multi-spoke alloy wheel, no scuffs or scrapes. Tires are very deep on this, probably about 3/4 tread. You got a resurfaced rotor and a nice thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that inspection report located in the glove box of all our cars. Make sure to take a look or ask your sales associate. Right now we're looking in here through the passenger side. You can see two ebony leather trim seats, luxury seats, with charcoal carpeting, a full console that flows in between. Now this would be a large car, so you can see very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room for both the front and the rear occupants. You also have rear heated seats, if you can see the buttons there. Try to zoom in on your controls. So you have front and rear heated seats on this particular model. Show you the rear tires again, scuff-free alloy wheel, about 3/4 tread on the tire on this Goodyear as well. Coming around to the back, as you can see, you have your badging, Cadillac XTS. This is a front wheel drive model. We also have a backup cam here. Let's go ahead, as you can see the camera right there. Go ahead and pop the trunk so you can see how spacious that is. Also has a 60/40 fold down on that rear seat if you need a little more cargo room. Underneath, you got your dummy spare there and your jack tools. Continue around to this side, just again focusing in on the wheel. So you see matching Goodyear Eagle tire, 3/4 tread, scuff-free wheel just like on the other two. And we'll give you a shot from the interior on this side as well. Very clean on the interior, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. And as you can see there, nice chrome door sill entry guards with the Cadillac emblem. And as you can see, a full power driver's seat as well as passenger. Now I'm going to go ahead and jump in here and show you the options and amenities that this car has. First of all, like I say, this car is a one owner with a clean Carfax, as you can see that right there. And I'll show you the key as well. It's a push button proximity key. It does have remote start, lock, unlock, and your power trunk release. We're just going to put our foot in the brake, press that button. You see 22,116 miles. Going through some of the controls on the door, it does have memory seating, 2 different settings. You got your windows, your locks, and your mirrors right there. Excuse me, windows and mirrors right there. Your locks are up here. You have your electronic parking brake there with your cluster dimmer switch over here. Stem to the left is for your headlamp control as well as your high beams and turn signals. Stem to the right is for your intermittent wiper washers. We have your voice activation and your cruise control to the left side of the wheel. To the right side of the wheel is your audio controls as well as your selection through the driver navigation. As you can see there, I'm going to scroll through some of the options that you have. Fuel economy, different options, pairing your phone, your audio options. So you can see how they scroll through the right hand side. Now over here is the big premium stereo with a large display screen touch. As you can see, we can go to audio. You have your AM, FM, and your satellite radio. We can go over there to pair your phone. We can go to the navigation system. As you can see, it is equipped with factory navigation. We can go to the climate, where you can see your dual climate settings and your automatic temperature settings. And then, of course, you have your pairing for your text when the phone is paired together. Now, like I say, we have heated and cooled seats here in the front. See how I can touch those different options there as well. So you do have different settings for driver and passenger. And like I say, you also have heated seats in the rear on this vehicle. There's your automatic transmission with your manual control. We'll open up this so you can see the 2 large cup holders. And we'll open up this, there's a button right here. Fold up and give you your connectivity. You can see your USB 12 volt power supply and your audio pre-out. Now up top here, you can see it is equipped OnStar. You do have your universal transmitter to program any garage door openers, things of that nature. Now there is no roof on this model. That is one of the very few options it doesn't have. You also have LED map lights. Now let's go ahead and leave that engine running. As you can see, you also have the upgraded Bose sound. Let's leave the engine running. We're going to pop the hood. Want to give you a look underneath. As you can see, this is a 6-cylinder, variable valve timing, very clean engine, very quiet, no exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks. A little hard with the shrouding to get you a good look at the engine, but I can tell you it's been very well maintained, very clean. Looks like new underneath the engine back here. I'm going to shut the hood, we'll turn this car off, and we'll get into the next portion of the video. Also, auto telescoping wheel there for your tilt wheel. Now the next portion of this video is something I really think differentiates ourselves from a lot of other dealers. Not only here at Thomas are we up front in our pricing, we're also very upfront in the condition of our vehicles cosmetically. Just going to do a quick little walk around. We got a couple little stone chips on the hood and the fender here. Nothing bad at all. If I see any dents, dings, or scratches, I'll try to catch them with the camera and the light. But I can tell you it looks to be very, very clean. Other than just a couple little stone chips I found there, I don't notice any dents, any sign of any kind of prior paint. Here on this whole driver's side, looks very, very clean. Rear fascia looks nice. Let's go around to the back. We do have a little scuff there, about an inch and a half. A couple of them kind of clustered together right there. It's really the only mark I've seen so far. Upper part of the deck lid looks good. Coming up the passenger side rear quarter now. Looks nice and clean. Got one little chip right there. Has been touched up with factory matching paint, but we do have a little nick there. Rear door looks good. Dents, really not many dents at all. It looks very, very clean. Front fender and door look well. And like I say, just a few little stone chips across this hood. You can see a couple of them there as I zoom the camera in. A couple little small stone chips. Couple up there as well. These cars are very low profile, so it's hard sometimes. As you see, you do have the park assist both on the front and the rear of this vehicle. The ultrasonic park assist. A little bit of bug damage, a couple little splatters of chips down here, but really guys, you know, other than a few stone chips, I think we found one little scuff there on the rear bumper and one little ding on that passenger side door. But this vehicle is very clean, excellent value over new. You know, it comes with a full remaining factory warranty from Cadillac, so you can buy this car with confidence. Now, if you're interested, there's a few ways of getting a hold of us. You can look us up on the web at www.thomasata.com or give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video, and I wish you an excellent day.